Hi and welcome to my first vlog in like a million years. You know, I used to post a lot on YouTube, but I kind of abandoned my channel for a while. But anyway, I'm here and I'm super excited to be back and start vlogging again. But first, if you're new here, let me just reintroduce myself for a moment. So, my name is Farah, or also Farah, because I'm from Belgium. En dan nog specifiek vanuit Antwerpen, vanuit Lommel. I moved abroad when I was 20 years old to follow my dream of living in the sun. And you know, I'm 30 now. This is my 7th summer in a row. I'm based in Barcelona, but in winter I often go to Bali or Brazil because my boyfriend is from Brazil. I run 2 businesses. I have one room rental business in Barcelona, and I'm also an online business coach where I teach fellow female entrepreneurs on how to build a freedom-based business and work from anywhere, just like me. Also, if you're from Belgium or Holland, then you might have seen me before in the TV show Expeditie Robinson or Survivor in 2020, so already a long time ago. But anyway, so that's a little intro about me, and make sure to subscribe to not miss out on any future vlogs. So let's go! We're back in Barcelona for summer after spending a few months in Brazil. We've booked a studio for a month with the goal of finding a new apartment to live. So far, we haven't found one yet, but luckily we have a backup plan, so today we're moving into one of the rooms of our co-living apartments. This means we'll have to share with some housemates till we find an apartment for ourselves. When we travel in winter, I store all my stuff and clothes that I don't use in a big closet with a lock in one of our apartments. I even put my clothes and blankets that I'm not using in vacuum bags because I have very little storage space. Hopefully this will all be solved soon when we find our own place. Quick dentist checkup because I've been doing Invisalign to straighten my teeth, and I'm almost done in a couple of months. Yay! We're on our way to see an apartment right now, and it has a lot of things that we really like a big terrace, so we'll see how it goes. We've been doing so many houses and we're almost giving up hope, seriously. I mean, I hope we still find one this summer, but I really want a terrace with sunshine all day long, an airco, and I want it to be in a good neighborhood, in Born. So those are my non-negotiables, and I'm not settling down for less. So even though it's gonna take a bit longer, it has to happen and we have to find it. So fingers crossed. And also, I didn't leave my country behind and my family and all my friends to not get exactly what I want. So I'm gonna get it no matter what. We'll see. Oh boy. We're here in one of our apartments because we're gonna do a big renovation. Normally we do usually some smaller upgrades, but this time we're gonna need to really do a full big renovation, improvement, change all the furniture, paint, and all of that. And actually, fun fact, because Daniel and I met in his apartment, so it's kind of a full circle moment because I rented a room from him, that's how I met him, and now we're running this business together. We have multiple apartments that we rent out long term, and also luckily we have a team that helps us because we really couldn't do it alone. So, ready, let's go.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine, living life with the noose, and in my mind, all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid. I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they said to never date her. Ha, I agree, but you did and I hate her. You wanna get away? You better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. God.
Worst case scenario happened. We found bed bugs. I know, so disgusting. So of course we're here now. Everything is upside down. I think it's very at early stage and someone brought them in probably, because you know there's like a plague going on in Europe, and fortunately it reached to one of our apartments. But we're gonna attack this. We cannot take risks, so we relocated all the guests. Luckily we have more apartments where we had some rooms available. And now, yeah, we have to put everything in bags. And then now there's a company coming and they will spray everything with poison. Then we have to keep everything closed. We throw away some beds, some mattresses. So the costs are pretty high. But yes, let's just keep going, keep smiling, and it's all gonna be okay. Okay, Remo. Oh. Some vacuuming so that the guy can put all the poison. Put a lot of powder, way too much. We just arrived in Costa Brava. Oh, it's so we booked a room in this building. It's insane. I've never seen such a beautiful place as Costa Brava, or even Spain. It's real Mediterranean vibes. It's just gold. I'm so excited to be here. To our next destination. Where are we going? Somewhere in the far away from the beach. We're going like half an hour away from the coast. Somewhere inside. We're staying in the cutest Airbnb ever. Oh my god, I feel like I just walked into Pinterest. So cute. I want my future house to look like this, like for real. Everything beige. Everything. Love it. Good news, we finally got rid of the bed bugs. It took us so long. It was a lot of work. But of course, this is something, it can happen to anyone. You can be as clean as you want. It's something that can happen and you just have to keep an eye out.